My name is John Boone, and my partner Chris and I own John Boone Incorporated. We've had the relationship with Plycon for the last 35 years. Any mover is the last identity that you have with your end user client. It's a relationship. It's all about the relationship.
Plycon has been an invaluable partner in what we do. I'm Chris Lockwood. I oversee production here at John Boone Incorporated. An important part is the end result and bringing together the pieces to be delivered to the client's home and the care and handling of all those pieces so it works seamlessly from a really active workroom to a pristine interior. And it's Plycon who we depend on to be sure the piece gets there in the best condition, and it does.
They understand the complexities of our product, they understand the materials that we use, they understand how it fits together. They hire the people that are sympathetic to that, they get it. That makes the relationship strong. Whoever you hire to bring your piece from the workrooms or from the warehouse to the client's home has to be the best representation of you, of our company. And we rely on that last step to be as important as the first step in the showroom with the client. And from the very beginning to the very end, it must be handled with integrity, with quality. And that's where not everybody can produce that. We've relied on them for the long term.